Busy professional? No time to cook, but still want to lose weight? Today, I'll show you 3 Japanese 10-minute meals for fast, slimming, delicious food. No stress, no prep, no sacrifice. Mornings are chaos, lunches are rushed, and dinner is an afterthought. You grab whatever's easy, then regret it. But what if you could reclaim your health and energy in just 10 minutes? I'm giving you a strategy, a culinary blueprint for success. We'll use the elegance of Japanese cuisine to create meals that are fast, nutrient-packed, and keep you sharp all day. This isn't about deprivation or hours in the kitchen. It's about being smart, efficient, and uncompromising on flavor. Let's throw out the excuses. I'll walk you through a breakfast, lunch, and dinner that will revolutionize your routine. Let's begin. Breakfast, the meal you're most likely to skip. Mornings are hectic, and it's easy to rush out the door with nothing but a cup of coffee or, worse, nothing at all. But what if you could have a breakfast that's fast, nourishing, and actually makes you feel good about your day? Let's fix that with the Matcha Silken Tofu Protein Smoothie. Grab your blender. No fancy equipment needed, just a simple blender and a few minutes of your time. Add 1 cup Silken Tofu, plant-based, creamy, and packed with protein to keep you full. Silken Tofu blends effortlessly, giving your smoothie a luxurious texture and a protein punch that rivals any traditional breakfast. It's also gentle on your stomach, and perfect for those who want a light yet satisfying start. Next, a teaspoon of ceremonial-grade matcha. It's a metabolism booster and gives you clean, focused energy. Unlike coffee, matcha delivers a gentle lift without the jitters or crash, thanks to its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants that help your body fight stress and inflammation. Toss in a handful of spinach for iron and fiber. You won't taste it, but your body will thank you. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, vitamins A, C, and K, plus magnesium and folate. It helps keep your energy steady and supports your immune system, all without changing the flavor of your smoothie. Add half a ripe banana for natural sweetness and potassium. The banana not only sweetens the smoothie naturally, but also provides a creamy consistency and a boost of energy. Potassium helps regulate your blood pressure and supports muscle function, making it ideal for busy mornings. Pour in half a cup of unsweetened plant milk. Almond, soy, or oat. Just enough to blend. Choose your favorite plant milk for a subtle flavor and extra creaminess. Unsweetened options keep the sugar low, so you get sustained energy without a sugar spike. Blend until smooth and creamy. No lumps, no stringy bits. The vibrant green color is a sign of all the nutrients packed inside. Take a moment to appreciate how easy it is to create something so nourishing in just a few minutes. Pour into a glass. It's thick, rich, and looks indulgent, but it's pure health. The texture is satisfying, almost like a milkshake, but every sip is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant-based protein. This takes less than 3 minutes. No excuses. You can make it while your coffee brews. It's the ultimate multitasker's breakfast, fitting seamlessly into even the busiest routines. It keeps you full, fires up your metabolism, and sets a positive tone for the day. You'll feel energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way, all before you've even left the house. Compare this to a pastry or sugary coffee. This is fuel, not a crash waiting to happen. Instead of a sugar rush followed by a slump, you get steady energy and real nourishment that lasts until lunch. This smoothie breaks the cycle of poor choices. It's your morning victory. Every day you choose this, you're investing in your health, your mood, and your productivity. 5 ingredients: silken tofu, matcha, spinach, banana, plant milk. That's it. No hidden sugars, no complicated prep, just real whole foods that work together to give you the best start possible. Keep them in your fridge. Be prepared for success. With these staples on hand, you'll never have to wonder what to eat in the morning again. This is your new 2-minute breakfast. It's quick, it's easy, and it's a game changer for your mornings. Now, let's move on. Chop chop. Transition to lunch. Lunchtime. The moment your willpower is weakest. It's that time of day when your energy dips, and the temptation to grab something quick and unhealthy is at its peak. But what if you had a solution that was not only quick, but also nutritious and satisfying? Enter the Shirataki Soba Power Jar. Under 200 calories, grab and go, and satisfying. This jar is a powerhouse of nutrition, designed to keep you full and focused without the afternoon slump. Start with Shirataki noodles, calorie-free, all fiber. Rinse thoroughly to remove any odor and get that perfect texture. These noodles are a fantastic base, absorbing the flavors of the ingredients you add. Layer in a mason jar. First, shredded chicken or tofu for protein. Protein is essential for keeping you satiated and maintaining muscle mass, especially if you're active. Next, a handful of edamame for plant protein and fiber. Edamame adds a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrients, making your meal even more balanced. Add pickled carrot for crunch and acidity, then cucumber ribbons for hydration and freshness. These veggies not only add texture but also a burst of color, making your meal visually appealing. Don't add the dressing yet. Keep it in a separate container to avoid sogginess. This way, your ingredients stay crisp and fresh until you're ready to eat. For the dressing, mash 1 umeboshi plum, add grated ginger, a splash of soy sauce, and rice vinegar. Whisk together. This dressing is tangy and invigorating, perfectly complementing the flavors in your jar. At lunch, pour the dressing over your jar, screw the lid back on, and shake well. This ensures every bite is coated with that delicious dressing. Every bite is a mix of textures and flavors. Springy noodles, tender protein, crunchy veggies, and a zesty dressing. It's a symphony of tastes that will make your taste buds dance. No sad desk lunches here. This is a fresh, energizing meal that keeps you sharp all afternoon. Imagine feeling satisfied and energized, ready to tackle the rest of your day with vigor. 10 minutes of prep at home sets you up for success all week. With just a little effort, you can have a week's worth of healthy lunches ready to go. Prep a few jars on Sunday night. Stack them in your fridge. This way, you eliminate the daily decision-making process and ensure you have a nutritious meal ready. No more decision fatigue, no more guilt. Just a healthy, delicious lunch ready to go. It's a simple step towards a more organized and health-conscious lifestyle. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle upgrade. By choosing to prepare your meals, you're investing in your health and well-being. Take control of your midday meal. Empower yourself with the knowledge that you're making a positive choice for your body and mind. Now, let's get to dinner. Transition to dinner. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy meal ideas. Visual. Layered jar, dressing, shake, eat. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and delight your senses. It's dinner time. You're exhausted after a long day, scrolling through your phone, debating whether to order takeout. Again. The temptation is real, but tonight, let's do something different. Instead of reaching for the delivery app, let's make a meal that's not only quick and easy, but also nourishing and deeply satisfying. Meet Yuzu-Poached Saba Hand Rolls. These are high in protein, low in carbs, and come together in just minutes. They're inspired by Japanese flavors, but designed for busy weeknights when you want something fresh, light, and energizing. The star of this dish is Saba, also known as mackerel. It's a fish that's not only affordable and easy to find, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for brain function, heart health, and keeping your metabolism running smoothly. Plus, mackerel has a rich, savory flavor that stands up beautifully to bold seasonings. Tonight, we're poaching the fish instead of frying it, which keeps things light and clean. In a shallow pan, combine water, a splash of soy sauce, and a generous pour of yuzu juice. Yuzu is a Japanese citrus fruit with a unique floral aroma and a tart, refreshing taste. If you can't find yuzu, a mix of lemon and lime juice works too. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Carefully lay in the saba fillets, skin side up, so they soak up all that citrusy, umami-rich broth. Cover the pan and let the fish poach for 3 to 4 minutes. The gentle heat keeps the fish tender and juicy, while the yuzu infuses every bite with brightness. While the fish cooks, get your wraps ready. Instead of rice or tortillas, we're using large cabbage leaves and thin ribbons of cucumber. These add crunch, freshness, and a boost of fiber, making the meal even more satisfying without weighing you down. Prep your veggies by washing the cabbage and peeling the cucumber into long, elegant strips. When the fish is done, it should flake easily with a fork. Gently lift it out of the pan and break it into bite-sized pieces. The aroma will be citrusy and savory, with a hint of the ocean. Now it's time to assemble. Lay a cabbage leaf flat, add a few cucumber ribbons, and top with a generous spoonful of the flaked saba. You can add a sprinkle of sesame seeds or a dab of wasabi for extra flavor if you like. Roll it up sushi hand roll style. The cabbage is sturdy enough to hold everything together, but light enough to keep things crisp and refreshing. Each roll is a perfect bite, cool, crunchy, and bursting with flavor. Make 2 or 3 hand rolls for a complete balanced meal. There's no rice, no heavy carbs, just pure, clean energy that won't leave you feeling sluggish. The result? Crisp cabbage, cool cucumber, and tender, citrus-infused fish come together in every bite. It's a symphony of textures and flavors that feels both indulgent and light. This meal is elegant enough for a dinner party, but simple enough for a solo night in. It's deeply satisfying, supports overnight fat burning, and helps you stay on track with your health goals. Compare this to a heavy, carb-loaded dinner. Instead of waking up groggy and bloated, you'll feel lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the day. Your body will thank you for making a smarter choice. Best of all, this meal takes just 10 minutes from start to finish. There's no stress, no mess, and cleanup is a breeze. You'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your evening. This is how you eat for success. Delicious, fast, and perfectly aligned with your goals. No more takeout regret, no more feeling like you've compromised your health for convenience. You've just created a restaurant-quality meal in less time than it takes for delivery to arrive. This is intelligent eating, food that fuels your body, sharpens your mind, and fits your lifestyle. And if you want to switch things up, try this method with salmon or even tofu for a plant-based twist. The possibilities are endless. So next time you're tempted by takeout, remember, you can make something extraordinary right at home. Busy schedule? No problem. These 3 Japanese 10-minute meals help you lose weight, stay energized, and take back control. One meal at a time. Look at this. Vibrant smoothie, layered power jar, elegant hand rolls. This isn't diet food, it's a feast. Healthy eating can be fast, delicious, and effective. You have the knowledge and the strategy. The power is in your hands. Make a commitment to try these recipes. No more excuses. Like, subscribe, and follow SlimSync for more fast, healthy Japanese weight loss meals. There's a world of delicious slimming food out there. I'll show you how to master it. Now get in the kitchen.